Since 2009, we have designed, made quality and reliability assurance flexible formwork for this beautiful concrete work. Our flexible formwork remove 7 or 8 headaches in concrete work, enable higher working efficiency, don't need wiring, nailing, no need apply release agent. Our flexible formwork is long-lasting, reusable more than 500 times. It is very light, lighter than timber, can be quickly demolding, burn inward and burn outward immediately. Our flexible formwork has superflex, flex, straight, and PVC stiff. Do hope our product can be very valuable to you. We are ready.